Hello friends. So Hindustan Cycles and Tubes, Hindustan Tire Company from India is here in the Eurobike Show 2025. So we are having a huge bash. It's day number 3. Hindustan Tires has full range of bicycle tires and tubes. They are manufacturers in India in Punjab since 1968. They have a full range of BMX, MTB, road cycles as well as fat bike tires. The company is also manufacturing scooter, motorcycle tubeless tires. There's also full range of bicycle tubes in all the valves. Maybe Schroeder valve, the English valve, French valve, German valve, all the valves. The company has also introduced this year the scooter tires. It's under sampling and also making the small scooter tubes with bend valves, the AV 20mm valve, bend valve 45 degree, 90 degrees. The company's box packing in different colors for the domestic as well as the export market. The company also making butyl tubes for the motorcycle tires. The 725C with the French valve 60mm. The company is doing a good job. Also the company has these solid forklift tires. The 508, the 609, 2-layer and 3-layer premium. The company also doing a great job in the pneumatic tires for big sizes, the forklift, all sizes, skid steer, all range, tractor rear, 14928 as well as the implement range. The company also has flaps for trucks, natural trucks with wall protector, good quality. The company has butyl tubes, premium quality for all the sizes, all the range in the world, all the sizes. Also the company is doing scooter tires, motorcycle tires, tubeless. Good quality, high quality. Also, I will make you show the three-wheeler tires. The company has a three-wheeler tire and has the European certification as well, the E9. I will also show you some catalog of the company. The bicycle tire tube catalog for 2025 for Hindustan. Beautiful catalog, whole range. This is the address and contact number. Good range they have, bicycle tires and tubes. The e-scooter tires, the fat bike tires, the wheelbarrow and handcart tires. Absolutely fantastic range. Except bicycle tires and tubes, the company is doing a great job in all the sizes. The butyl tubes, the butyl tube range, the forklift tires, the skid steer, the agriculture tires, implement tires, wheelbarrow, motorcycle tires, three-wheeler tires. A big range in India. Based in Ludhiana in Punjab, Hindustan Tires since 1968. Sky is the only limit. We also have 20x3 puncture guard tire. Also have the gum wall tire, inside cream tire for the French countries. The fat bike tire, 20x4 for Europe. The BMX, the small sizes, 12x125, 14x125, 16x125. The company is doing a great job.